His majesty, peace be upon them.
Blessed Rise family, I hope you're all having a great start to your day. This is my video for today. I'm quite inspired to carry on with these life cue videos, family, because I've had quite a lot of messages and quite a lot of feedback in response to my life cue videos. I've had people reach out to me on my Facebook page and also on my Instagram. I've had people who've actually asked me for my phone number. Well, family, what I'll say to you, I'm not a counselor as per se. However, I do take pleasure in giving advice. And like I said before, I'm old enough and wise enough, experienced enough to speak on a range of issues that I know affect us as human beings throughout our day-to-day lives. Well, today I'm going to be carrying on this relationship issue. And the video I did before on relationships, it was 40 plus. You need to lock it down. I need you to go back, and for those of you who've missed that video and for those of you who've not played that video, I'm going to be linking it in this one. So you can always go back and listen to some of the things that I had to say. And I tend to, be as realistic as possible when it comes on to my life cue videos. All my videos, I must admit, they are inspired by my own life experiences or things that I have learned from others throughout my life's journey. So family, with that being said, let's move right into this one. So this morning I'm looking at a quote which says, sometimes you end up losing yourself trying to hold on to someone who never cared about losing you. Know when to let go. And that is what I'm going to be talking about this morning, family. Sometimes we tend to lose ourselves trying to hold on to someone who never cared about losing you. So you've got a person that you're with or you've been with, and whether it's a boyfriend or whether it's a failed marriage or whether it's a failing marriage or you name it, maybe it's a courtship, but you've come to realize that, look, by trying to stay and by trying to hold this relationship together, I am losing myself. I am not being the real me. I am trying too hard to show this person the light, or to show this person that, look, you are not going down the right path. This is not making things amicable for us in this relationship. But yet, during this process, you lose yourself. And I can tell you this too, family. I'm Jamaican. And let me tell you something. Sometimes some people is coming like, say, tick broke in a it. And we find that as well with our own children. People these days being very stubborn, very obstinate. Them don't listen. So in Jamaica, we have a saying that says, yeah, go on like tick broke in your ears. So sometimes, family, you have to stand firm. But in this standing firm, do not lose yourself trying to show someone that, look, you're not doing the right thing. Because it's never good to lose oneself. Stay true to self. Stay resolute, stand firm, and always be you. Do not let people come around in your lives and change you. Because what about when the other person comes and you have to change again? Are you going to continue a trend of changing to please people? No. Remain as true as possible to self. Because you have some people out there in the world, they do not value you, they do not care about you, they do not care about how you feel, they do not care about the things that affect you. So therefore, you need to know when to let those people go. So if there's anyone in your life, family, whether it's a family member, a friend, and you've gotten to the end of the road where you are now exhausted, you're now tired, this person has burnt you out, this person has gotten you to the point where you feel as though I'm losing myself. Well, I'm telling you today, let go. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. With that being said, family, I want you to go ahead now and share your own life experiences with the family here on this channel. I look forward to reading your comments, and you know, like always, I respond to all the comments. With that being said, I leave you now with love, light, and upful energies. I'm out now. Real. Empress Yudah, Rastafari.
His Majesty, peace be upon them. Some of them are warriors. Don't you forsake